Dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last video, I have explained about the festival of Bihu, about the three types of Bihu. So today I shall be discussing the exercises. I shall be explaining the exercises. So number A is choose the correct answer. The first is how many types of Bihu are there? So you have already got here. See, there are three types of Bihu: Bohag Bihu, Kati Bihu and Mang Bihu. So there are three types. So put a tick mark here. Kati Bihu is celebrated in the middle of which month? Kati Bihu is celebrated in the middle of October. See, here put a tick mark in October. I shall be giving the pictures of these solved exercises also. What are the main attractions of Bohag Bihu? So the answer will be folk dance songs and dances, which I have explained the other day. The main attractions of Bohag Bihu are folk songs and dances. Now let's go to this one. Match the words with their meaning. See here, popular. Popular means one who is liked by many people. So match it with this one, liked or admired by many people. Next is significance. Significance means important. So here the match significance with the last one, the quality of being important. Next is traditional. Traditional means the things which are related to the past. Means it may be belief or any stories which are related to the past. So here traditional, match it with number A, belief or stories relating to the past. Next is promote. Promote means to contribute something, to contribute for the development, so to contribute to the growth of. Next is brotherhood. Brotherhood means friendship, means a feeling of closeness to all people. Next is answer the following questions. What do the people of Assam do during Kati Bihu? So during Kati Bihu, the people of Assam perform silent prayer by lighting earthen lamps in fields. In my earlier video, I have discussed means what do people do during Kati Bihu. During this period, during this Bihu, the people of Assam, they perform a prayer silently. How do? By lighting earthen lamps. They light a lamp made of mud in the fields and they silently pray. What does the festival of Bihu promote? The festival of Bihu means what is the contribution of the festival of Bihu? Almost in every festival promotes love and brotherhood. So in the same way, Bihu also, the festival of Bihu promotes a spirit of love and brotherhood among the people. Next is, what does Magh Bihu indicate? So Magh Bihu indicates the end of the harvesting period. Means where Magh Bihu is celebrated when the crops are ripened. When the period when they will cut the crops. So these are the exercises I have solved. I shall be giving the pictures of these exercises. Then you shall write it. So you carefully listen to the pronunciations that I have just now told. When you read it carefully. So the comprehension ends here. In my last class I have discussed the chapter, and today I discussed the exercises. So I shall be giving the picture of these notes. You can also write it from here. If you can from the video also you can write it clearly. So the comprehension portion ends, so the story ends here. So thank you and have a nice day.